Good morning, students. We are going to start a new chapter today, which will be periodic table. Periodic table can be defined as the tabular arrangement of all the elements that are found, and this periodic table gives many informations about the elements. But making the arrangement of all the elements is not so easy, as a deep study into all the properties of the elements was to be done. So different scientists had their opinion regarding the periodic table. So we are going to study about all those different periodic tables given by different scientists. We are going to start first with the periodic table given by the scientist Dove-Riner, and his periodic table was called Dove-Riner's triad. Triad means a group of three. It means to say that whenever three elements of the same property are placed together, then the atomic mass of the middle element will be coming equal to the average atomic mass of the other two elements. Triad itself means
Whenever I have teachers this direction, should finish the class, you should meet. The recording class, after that you should meet me.
So you can see, according to Dove-Riner's triad, atomic mass of the middle element was approximately equal to the arithmetic mean of the atomic mass of the other two elements. I hope it is clear to you. So let us try to understand it with the help of example. We have an example like calcium, strontium, barium. Now these only three elements are taken in or triad, that is in a group of three, because these three elements are having a similar chemical property. Like they all are metal, they have valency 2, and you can see they are arranged in the order of increasing atomic mass. Now when you find the average atomic mass of calcium and barium, let us check whether it is coming equal to 88 or not. So we can find 40 plus 137 divided by 2. So it will be coming 177 by 2, which is equal to so around 88.5 it is coming. So approximately it is coming equal to this. Same way you can try with lithium, sodium, potassium. Find the average atomic mass like 7 and 39 divided by 2, which will be equal to 46 by 2, and is coming equal to 23, which is equal to the middle atomic mass. We can also try with non-metallic group like chlorine, bromine and iodine. Atomic mass is 35.5, 80 and 127. Again, when you find the average atomic mass of these two, that is chlorine and iodine, it will be 35.5 plus 127 divided by 2, which is coming equal to 0.5, 162.5, which is equal to 81.25. That is very close to this 80. So this is how the Dove-Riner's triad was taken, where the atomic mass of the middle element is coming equal to the average atomic mass of the other two elements. Now, what is the reason that this Dobrynin triad was discarded? Discarded which was not accepted. It was not accepted because this law was not coming true with most of the elements. Like within the same family also it was not working. If I take example of the halogen group like fluorine, chlorine and bromine, atomic mass 19, 35.5 and it is 80. So on finding the average atomic mass, which is coming this much, which is equal to 49.5 and which is not equal to 35.5. So you can see in most of the cases this law of triad was not coming true and was the main reason to discard this. Now after this was discarded, there was another scientist who gave or put forwarded his own opinion regarding the periodic table. Let us see. So next scientist was Newland and his periodic table was called Newland's law of octave. Octave means 8. Since Newland was a great lover of music, he was very fond of music and so he arranged the elements keeping the musical note in his mind. And according to this law, when elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic mass, then every 8th element will be having the same property as that of the starting element. For example, if we start from hydrogen, or when you count from hydrogen, you can see the 8th element, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fluorine is the 8th element and its property is similar to hydrogen. When you start from lithium, you find sodium is the 8th element, means having the property similar to lithium. This is how any element you start from, the 8th element will be the property similar to that of the starting element. This is Newland's law of octave. I hope it is clear. And next class will be a new form of periodic table. Thank you.